Now, our next and last topic is soil formation. Soil is formed of weathering of rocks and it mixes with other materials on the earth surface. Now, what is weathering? Weathering is the phenomena by which rocks are broken down in smaller pieces. Suppose these are rocks, due to weathering, it breaks up in smaller pieces. Soil is formed by the physical, chemical, and biological changes that take place continuously. Soil formation is a continuous and a slow process. The process of breaking down of rocks is known as weathering. Means the process which break up the rocks is known as weathering. There are three stages of soil formation. First is soil formation begins with the breaking down of rocks, as you already know. The process of breaking down rocks is known as weathering. It includes in stage 1 and stage 2. Due to weathering, an organic layer develops bacteria and other microorganic materials from the humus. And in stage 3, humus helps loose soil grain to stay together and also makes the soil more fertile. Soil profile is a vertical section through the soil revealing the successive layer down to the bedrock. Topsoil or the surface layer is made up of fine particles. It's more fertile as it contains more humus, minerals, salt and water. Again repeating, topsoil or the surface layer is made up of fine particles. It's more fertile as it contains more humus, minerals, salt and water. The formation of soil is a slow process. Natural agents, especially running water, wind, and certain human activities like improper plowing, deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down rocks on a large scale, and overgrazing by animals destroy the soil cover in many areas. Now it clear soil is such a valuable gift of nature. So we should do everything to conserve the soil, checking overgrazing from time to time and ensuring afforestation. Afforestation means planting trees in the form of a forest. Helps to protect the topsoil. Good agriculture practices like plowing, cultivation, slopes, crop rotation, and sensible use of organic and inorganic fertilizer means chemical substance are measures that must be adopted to check soil erosion and promote its conservation. Okay, thank you so much, students.